this is what full-time RV life is all about. Boondocking out in the desert. It is beautiful. There's not a soul near us. And we are topping off our batteries this morning by running our generator. Normally we don't ever run our generator, but we've been here for a few nights, and with the sun as low as it is in the sky right now, and we don't have our panels tilted, we're only getting our batteries back up to maybe 60-70% during the day. When we wake up in the morning, they're not bad. They're around 40%, 35 to 40, but I think it's time to top them off. So yes, Tom and Lori RV Life does have a generator, and it does get exercise.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
We really love staying north of Goldfield. It is just absolutely gorgeous here.
Well, I set out from my location with no direction or destination. A permanent vacation with not a single friend in sight. The conductor punched my ticket. He said, son, you better listen. Don't get caught up in reminiscing. You wind up going missing. So I keep rolling on, rolling on, rolling till the break of day. I keep rolling on, rolling on, I'll be on my way. Like an ancient desert drifter, seeking hidden wisdom in the sun and in the scripture. I have found out what I was, so I keep rolling on, rolling till the break of day. I keep rolling on, I'll be on my way. I keep rolling on, rolling till the break of day. I keep rolling on, I'll be on my way. Rolling on, I'll be on my way.
We made it to Pahrump, Nevada. And we are on what is called the backside of Mount Charleston. Way up there, the peak has the snow on it. And we are at our favorite Boondockers Welcome spot in beautiful Pahrump, Nevada. And when we got here, we had just found out that these folks are not only Boondockers Welcome hosts, but they are now a Hall of Fame host. Oh heck, we knew that from way back when.
Look what my husband did. The great fly hunter, slamming around the fly swatter, busted the light. I swear. Such a spaz. All right, so now I'm going to try and glue those pieces on you. They're in your cup on the sink. Yeah, here's the parts.
Parts is parts.
So we've got a screw that we need to screw back into the wall. This is the case over the top, but we had to bust off the little pegs in order to get this off to be able to get to those two little parts. So first I'm going to clean it with alcohol because it's a little dusty and stuff, and we want the glue to be able to stick. While we're in here, we might as well just clean this off. All right, Tom wanted me to use super glue, but super glue I have never, ever had success with. And because it's not in a position where we can do the Dave's Magic super glue and baking soda, I think it is, trick, I'm just going to use the E6000. And hopefully that will work. So I'm going to squeeze some into this little cup. And I'm going to use some toothpicks. All right, so we determined earlier that I needed to do this little piece first. Putting kind of a lot on because I have a feeling when I'm trying to put it on, I'm going to lose some, because it's not an easy position to be able to get it stuck on there. There we go. And I will clean off the excess later. I'm gonna have to hold it here for a little bit. Oops, don't move. I'm trying to put the second piece on without disturbing the first piece. Uh-oh. That's not gonna work. Okay, well, I can't sit here for 24 hours and hold it, so we're just gonna leave it like that, not touch it, and see what happens. And I'll clean up the extra glue after it dries and it's good to go. I'll use an X-Acto knife to clean it off, but for now, that's as good as it's gonna get. Do not touch the light switch. Do not touch the light switch.
So the reason we're doing this is
we're doing, gluing it?
Yeah.
Because you're too dang cheap to go buy a new one. I'm already a slave, so he's already paid for me, so. Yes.
We're just walking through Boulder Beach.
Campground.
Campground at Lake Mead. And we're just kind of out for a morning walk. It's a beautiful morning.
Yes, it is.
I mean, look at this. This is nice. You can hear the nice roar of generators.
Yeah, you don't come here for a nice, quiet, peaceful time.
No. It's a loud campground, it really is, but it's a very convenient stop for us.
And affordable.
And affordable, going both north and south in our journey. Lake Mead is, God, can you see the wash, the rim around the lake? Look at that. That's just incredible how much water has disappeared from this lake through the years. It is so crazy. You know, like that little island right there, well, actually it's a bigger island now, a guy on a boat in front of it. Just the tip used to be out of the water, and I mean the very top. Just the tip of that son of a gun. Just amazing. But it is a beautiful, beautiful day. It's still a beautiful lake. And this is just one little section of it, little tiny section right here. Just kind of a cool little area here at Boulder Beach.
When does the show start?
The show? Your song and dance man is right here.
You can only see what he's doing. Little soft shoe.
Oh my gosh. Little amphitheater they've got here. Not bad. I guess they put on shows. I didn't see a calendar around or anything like that.
The ranger comes in, does like environmental talks or something of that sort. I don't think it's like real shows.
Okay. You mean no burlesque shows or anything like that?
I doubt that. This is a family campground.
Oh my gosh. Thank you guys for watching and following the journey, and you know, we hope you enjoyed this episode. We've got more on the way on our What Up Wednesdays, and of course our Saturday coffee chats coming up. We want to remind you.
This is the first time we mentioned it, right?
Okay, this is the first time we're mentioning this. Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, we're going to have another Tom and Lori RV Life special presentation, another music videos coming out, a special Christmas song that I have written, and produced, and I'm putting the video together for that right now. That'll come out on Black Friday. I don't know what time. Maybe we'll just put it up right at midnight. Who knows? Because everybody's up shopping anyway, right? Or is that still a thing?
I don't know that that's still a thing.
Because we don't really do it anymore. Anyway, the music video, Christmas songs, coming out Black Friday, day after Thanksgiving. Make sure you check out the channel and subscribe, and then ring the bell. You'll get notified when that video does pop up. Pop up video.
Oh boy.
Thank you guys for watching.
See ya.
Take your banner